How do you like to unwind after a long day? Have you ever tried any exotic foods? What's your favorite season of the year? Are you more of a beach person or a mountain person? Have you ever participated in a sports event? What's the most interesting book you've read recently? What's your favorite quote or motto? Are you a fan of any particular sports team? What's your favorite holiday or celebration? Do you enjoy spending time outdoors? Have you ever learned to play a musical instrument? What's your preferred mode of transportation? Do you have any favorite TV shows or movies? Are you a morning person or a night person? What's the most adventurous thing you've ever done? Do you enjoy spending time alone or with others? Have you ever volunteered for a cause? What's your go-to comfort food? Do you have any pets, and what are their names? If you could travel through time, which historical period would you visit? What's the most unusual food you've ever tried and liked? Have you ever had a chance encounter that changed your life? If you could have any superpower, what would it be and why? What's the most memorable dream you've ever had? Do you have a hidden talent that most people don't know about? What's the craziest adventure you've ever been on? What's the craziest adventure you've ever been on? What's the most spontaneous thing you've ever done? If you could learn any skill instantly, what would it be? That sounds like a great idea. Let's practice speaking English together. I'm happy to help you improve your English skills. Here are some words you can learn. Thank you for your patience. Let me try to express that in English. I'm trying to expand my vocabulary. I'm learning English, so I might make mistakes. I'm hungry. Let's eat. Thank you for helping me. The highlight of my day was having lunch with an old friend. I'm planning a trip to Europe next month. The weather has been quite pleasant lately. The food was delicious. I'm thinking of taking a trip to the beach. I enjoy playing tennis and reading in my free time. That sounds fascinating. I tried it last week. I haven't watched it yet. I'm really excited. What happened in the latest episode? Thanks and enjoy your books.